Ready. Present application is filed while provisions of order 7 in bracket D of the Code of Civil Procedure in bracket herein after referred as the code bracket close for rejection of plaint by defendant number 1 contending that present suit is filed for deleting the names of dependents from the 712 extract para. It is further contended that on bar perusal of plaint it reveals that the suit is filed for deleting the names of dependents from the 712 extract of the property. Such relief has to be claimed before the revenue court and as per the section 11 of the Bombay Revenue Jurisdiction Act, civil court is exclusively barred from granting such reliefs as the reliefs sought it of revenue nature. Full stop. As this court lacks the jurisdiction to try and entertain the present suit, defendant number 1 prayed for rejection of plaint while provisions of order 7 rule 11 in bracket D of the code plaintiff has filed say below exhibit number 21 and contended that present suit is filed for declaration of ownership of plaintiff over the suit property and for deleting the names of defendants from the 712 extract of suit property. Full stop. The plaintiff had filed application before the Tahsildar for deleting the names of defendants from the 712 extract of suit property, but Tahsildar ordered that said relief has to be sought from civil court. Therefore, plaintiff was constrained to file present suit. These facts are mentioned in the plaint. Therefore, it is not barred by any law. Full stop. Hence, prayed for rejection of the application. Para. Now, considering the arguments of both the parties, it is important to note that while deciding the application under Order 7 Rule 11 of the Code, one has to see merely the pleadings pleaded in the plaint by the plaintiff and not the defense raised by the defendants in their written statement. Full stop. If it is found that the pleadings and the reliefs claimed itself are barred by any law or do not disclose any cause of action, then the plaint has to be rejected under the said provisions. Para. In this matter and ongoing through the plaint, it reveals that plaintiff has filed present suit for declaration of his ownership over the suit property and for deleting the names of dependents from the 712 extract of the suit property. Stop. Further considering the reliefs claimed in the plaint, the main relief is regarding declaration of ownership and the ancillary relief is for deleting the names of dependents. Stop. Admittedly, this court is barred to grant relief for deleting the names or entries in the revenue records. Stop. But his courts has power to decide the dispute regarding ownership of title is of civil nature. Such disputes has to be resolved before a contempt civil court. Therefore, the civil court has jurisdiction to try and entertain regarding the dispute of ownership and title over the suit property. Stop. It is nowhere barred by any law or structure to decide to dispute of civil nature by a civil court. Stop. Para. Now considering the contentions in the plaint, one of the relief sought by the plaintiff can be granted by the civil court. Therefore, the present suit is tenable in this court. Full stop. As discussed above, the application filed by defendant number 1 being devoid of merits, it is liable to be rejected. With this consideration, I pass the following order. Para. Order the application filed below exhibit number 17th by defendant number 1 is rejected. Full stop. Both parties to take note. Full stop.